Hi. So friends, if you are graduate in, let's say, BCom, or let's say in any other stream, and you are looking forward for a good and bright and very successful future, then there may be many line of professions are there for you, but I would like to give one opportunity and give one option for you, which is SAP Costing industry. And SAP Costing is one of the promising and very rewarding industry. The in this industry, the people or the right consultants or the right resources are very less. Due to that, if you grow and if you learn the concepts of the SAP Costing, your future and your career will be very good and bright. So if you have completed graduation in any of the stream, maybe you must have completed your engineering graduation, your management graduation, or your commerce or arts or science graduation, you are eligible for this SAP Costing industry. Yes, I have told you the right things. You are eligible for the SAP Costing industry because I can give you the commitment that I can take you from the scratch and I can give you the complete knowledge of the SAP Costing fundamentals, industries, configurations, business, everything. So this is what the kind of a services, or this is a kind of a initiative from the InfoCost we have started, and the name of that initiative is Costingwala. So if you see the website of the costingwala.org, you will find lot of information in that which is very important for you and relevant for you to kickstart your SAP Costing career. Many of my students who have started their career in the costing industry or costing processes, so initially they have started, let's say, with X. Now they are taking almost in next 2 to 3 year or 4 year, they are taking almost 10x or maybe 20x of their salary what they are supposed to get on a market rate basis. So this is the type of reward, and this is the type of you can say the benefit you can accrue based on the knowledge what you can earn and get from this Costingwala and the SAP Costing. So let me take you to the costingwala.org and show you how these courses are there or how the details are there. So first of all, the sites is like this, and if you see the courses, so if you click on the courses overviews are there, and the first and the important course which is there for the scratch called SAP Costing Basics. This is like learning the ABCD of any of the subject. So if you want to learn the basics, or if you want to learn the SAP Costing from start, from zero, you should join this course of SAP Costing Basic. Okay, in this SAP Costing Basic, you will be explained and trained in the area of accounting fundamentals, right from debit credit, what is to be debited, what is to be credited, right from costing fundamentals, what is costing, what is primary cost, what is variable cost, what is fixed cost, what is the fundamentals of cost, everything will be taught to you. After that, how the SAP Costing is there, what is the business use of this SAP Costing, right from cost center accounting to product costing to month-end closing to settlement, everything will be taught to you in this basic costing. And this basic costing course, if you want to know more about the detail, you can go to the SAP basic costing course, and you understand what are the elements are there which you will learn as a part of this basic costing course of SAP. So these are the key fundamental items you can learn on the basic SAP Costing courses. And let me tell you the kind of knowledge which you will gain from me after this basic costing course. If you compare yourself after learning all these things, then let me tell you, you will be almost more than knowledgeable than a person if he is working 5 to 6 years in SAP industry. If you learn all these things from me, then you will be more knowledgeable than that person who worked almost 5 years in this industry. This is what the commitment I can give you right from the start of the course, and after you complete the course you will understand what is your level of knowledge on this. And if you go to any interview or so, you will not feel that they are asking something different and you are not in a position to answer those questions. Because if you work with me seriously for 2 months on this particular course, you will be like a good resource for this industry on the SAP costing. So this is the basic costing course. So these are the like details for this, and every Saturday we have this course, okay, and these are the fees and these are the timelines, and we give you complete certificate of this course with details, what you have learned, what you have captured, and what you have like understood very well in the market. Everything you will be getting as a part of this course. Now let's go to the next level of course, that is called graduation course. After you complete your basic costing course, then you are eligible for the graduation course. So each and every courses are basically tagged in such a way that once you complete the first level, then you can go for the next level. So if I just go to the graduation course, in this graduation course you will learn the advanced cost center accounting, standard cost estimate with different advanced feature, for example mixed costing, joint product costing, cross plant costing, subcontracting costing, simulation, budgeting, additive costing, etc. Everything whatever is required for the industry you will learn. But all these things you can learn once you complete your basic things first. Then advanced cost object controlling with month-end closing, WIP calculation, your variance calculation for different business scenarios. And COPA is one of the most promising and rewarding and paying in feature in this SAP costing industry. So you will learn the detail of the value flow in COPA, and this whole subject is, if you learn this subject, then you will be like a very hot cake in this industry, and the kind of charges which we are taking is very nominal, and it is just like peanuts we are taking, and we are giving you lot of knowledge for that. So this initiative of Costingwala is not for me to earn money, it is for me to share my knowledge to the industry as a whole, so that I can build more than million SAP costing experts for this industry. So this is what my initiative, and I am trying to take that initiative and trying to reach to that goal. So this is again the next level of course. Then if I go to the post-graduation course में we will explain you the advanced COPA concept, actual costing and material ledger, which is also very important in SAP, and then industry specific understanding also we will give as a special consideration to give you a knowledge as to how to configure the costing process for a particular industry, for a particular organization. So all these things are there. So if you are interested to build your career in SAP costing and go in a right direction with a full commitment and full clarity on the path of the roadmap for next 5 years, 6 years down the line, then this is the right option to go with SAP costing. And I can give you in writing that this is something very promising and payable for payment specific course for you. You will get lot of money and lot of salary in your future for that. So now recently we have completed the basic costing course, and now we are planning to launch a graduation course batch. So all my batches are based on the number of participants, number of inquiries we get. So as of now we are planning to launch a graduation course batch. So if you are interested to part of this graduation course batch, you can attempt for this graduation course batch by checking whether you are eligible for that to give. So there is assessment is there. So if you click on this get assessment, you will be guided to a particular screen where you have to accept and you need to appear for this assessment. If you are clearing this assessment, then you are eligible for this graduation course batch. If you want to log in and enter for your basic course, so there is an option available for you to enroll. If you click on this enroll, you can give all your details. My team will get in touch with you once we start the basic course. If you are interested in the basic course, or if you are interested in any other course, you can still enroll and give your feedback and expectation from this course. So friends, this is something very, very important, and if you really feel that you want to be successful in your career, this is the best option you can opt for. And also you can refer to your family, friends, so that they can get benefited out of this. Thank you for